Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Parallels Toolbox, an app that consists of a bunch of super easy to use tools to make doing things much quicker at home or at work. I'll demo some of the key features now. So let's start off with presentation mode. When you click it, you'll notice this alert display, which basically helps avoid any disruptions so you won't need to worry about anything embarrassing popping up. Turning presentation mode involves just a single click. It's as easy as that. There's also Clean Drive, which scans for temporary files, basically files that are just clogging up space. A single click on Cleanup and you're ready for improved performance and more space. You've also got Free Memory, which works in a similar manner, except it frees up RAM. Nice. This isn't something you'd probably need to do often, but if you want, you can easily change the resolution of your display. There's quite a range of resolutions to choose from, as you can see here. I'll select one to show you how it works. See how easy that was to switch? Everything looks perfect too, there's no stretching of anything. Switching back to the default is super easy too. You've probably wanted to download videos for offline use at some point, and this toolbox has a tool that lets you do it with ease. You simply need to install the extension to your browser. It'll then add a button to the toolbar. Just click it and it'll download the video from the currently opened web page. Oh, you want audio instead? Choose download audio from the toolbox, paste the URL and let the tool do the work. Easy. The toolbox offers 4 options for taking screenshots, which you can see here. It will highlight the screen based on your chosen option and you just need to click once and it will capture it for you. For a video instead, you can use the record screen tool, which is what I used to record my iMac screen for this video. Just like with your smartphones, Parallels Toolbox offers a Do Not Disturb mode, which essentially disables all notifications. It's also got a Do Not Sleep mode to prevent your display from dimming or going to sleep. It's way faster than going into your power settings and manually adjusting it. This is seriously a really cool app. If you're ever doing a presentation or recording your screen, you might want to make sure your desktop looks clean. Instead of moving all desktop items, use the toolbox to hide the files for you and tap the hide desktop icon to show them again. That was too easy, right? Another cool feature is Resize Image. Just select an image you want to resize, change the width and the height will automatically scale in proportion and vice versa. You can also choose to change the format or stick to the original. Much quicker than opening Photoshop to resize photos, that's for sure. I love how efficient this toolbox is. It makes doing things so much quicker and helps reduce the need to get a bunch of individual apps. The best part is that it works with Windows and Mac. You can get it for $15.99 per year or you can try it out for free for 7 days. I totally recommend doing it because it's just so convenient. I'll definitely be using it often. Let me know what you guys think of it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.